everyone, welcome to our channel Kids Easy Learning. Today we are going to know more about adjectives. Before moving on, for those who are watching our channel for the first time, this channel is created with an intent to make kids learning easy. To join our channel, subscribe and press the bell button to watch more videos. Now let's move on to our topic. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word used to describe a noun or a pronoun. Example, a cold ice cream. Here, cold is an adjective and ice cream is a noun. An orange pencil. Orange is an adjective and pencil is a noun. In the next example, it is a sunny day. Here, sunny is the adjective, but it is a pronoun. Similarly, I am thin. I is a pronoun. So, adjective is a word used to describe a noun or a pronoun. Now, let's know more about different type of adjectives. Qualitative adjective. This adjective is used to describe features of a noun. Example, my brother is a smart boy. So, what is the quality of a boy here? How do you feature him? Smart. Next, quantitative adjective. It is used to describe the approximate amount of a noun. Example, I have little rice left out. So, how much is the quantity which is left out? It is little. So, little is the quantitative adjective. Next one, number adjective. It is used to describe the exact amount of noun. Example, I purchased 6 pencils. So, it is clear that the apples purchased are 6. So, the number is exact. It's very clear. This is number adjective. Interrogative adjective. These are used to ask questions, interrogate them. So, in English, there are 3 interrogative adjectives. What, which, whose. Let's see an example. What is your name? Here we are questioning. What is an interrogative adjective? The next adjective is demonstrative adjective. These are special adjectives used to identify or express the relative position of a noun. In English, we have 4 demonstrative adjectives: this, these, that, those. Whenever we are demonstrating items which are nearby, we use this and these. When I have any item which is of only one, then I will be using this. This pen. Whenever I have more than one item, I will be using these pens. Similarly, for demonstrating far items, we can use that and those. So, let's see an example. That toy is new. Here, that is a demonstrative adjective, preferably used for far item. The last one is exclamatory adjective. These are used to express strong emotions or sadness. The word what is used as the exclamatory adjective. Example, what a fun. Here, what is an exclamatory adjective? Now, let's solve few questions. Identify the adjective from the sentence given. The king was wearing an adorable crown. Options are given: crown, wearing, king, adorable. The right option is adorable. This is qualitative adjective. Next question, identify the adjective from the sentence given. The books are kept in the second rack. In this question, where is the rack? Which place it is second? So the right option is A, and it is denoted by a number. So it is called number adjective. Next one, identify the adjective from the sentence given. What is short? So it's clear you have an exclamatory sign. So it is no doubt exclamatory adjective. And what is the adjective in this? Next question, identify the adjective from the sentence given. There is no water in the jar. So we are talking about water. And what is the quantity of the water? No water. Here it is a quantitative adjective and it is no. Next question, identify the adjective from the sentence given. This is Smita's pen. So it is a demonstrative adjective. Here you are talking about Smita by using this. Next question, identify the adjective from the sentence given. Whose car are you painting? You are questioning someone about the car by using whose. It is an interrogative adjective and the right option is whose. Hope you understood about adjective. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to watch more videos. Have a nice day.